Alright, and मैं जैसा आप लोगों को already बता रही थी introduction के अंदर कि I'm wearing this really pretty black velvet outfit and I was really sad because इस season मैंने अपने लिए एक भी इस तरह का material नहीं बनाया and I actually love it. This weather calls for it and I love the printed dupatta as well and I'm wearing this by this lovely lady who's on our set today. She's a fashion designer. वो लंदन से आई हुई हैं और उनका नाम है SAIMA Ali and she's the CEO of Minya's Boutique. Welcome to the show.
Thank you so much, Rija.
How are you doing?
I'm good, alhamdulillah. How are you?
I'm great. I'm great. So, I'd like to keep it very real and tell the audience as well कि मेरे पास 3-4 options थे choose करने के लिए from the outfits that she had actually made and she was kind enough to let me wear the one that resonated most with me and I think आप लोगों को पता ही है अभी तक मुझे colors कितने पसंद हैं and this feels so comfortable and so nice.
And you look absolutely stunning.
Thank you so much. So tell me something, Saima, how did you get into fashion designing?
I started 10 years ago. And I started because मुझे बड़ा शौक था डिज़ाइन करने का और फिर मैंने कॉलेज से शुरू किया. Friends, they started liking my work, you know what I used to wear and stuff. फिर उसके बाद ना कोविड में 2021 में I started with the drama industry.
Oh.
हाँ जी.
अच्छा.
बिल्कुल. So I started with my first project which was Kai.
Kai, okay.
हाँ जी, which was for Geo. So I really enjoyed doing that project because it was a wardrobe which was very different.
Absolutely. And what was different about it?
The cuts. We used different colors, prints, styles. Yeah.
अच्छा, and Saima, अगर आप अपना fashion style देखती हो या if you had to describe it, would you be someone who focuses more कि मैं colors पे focus करूँ या cuts पे करूँ, designs पे करूँ? What is the concept that makes you?
The concept is we like to be funky.
Funky.
And we concentrate on the cuts.
Cuts.
हाँ जी. We like to be different.
Different, yeah. But I think इतनी market में इतनी ज़्यादा चीज़ें हो रही होती हैं कि it's. So how do you manage the business in London then? You get the stuff made from here and then you take it.
Yes, we have our unit in Islamabad, and we have a small unit in Karachi as well.
Okay.
And then I have a little boutique in Birmingham, UK as well.
Oh, lovely. Oh, that's great. That's great. And have you worked with any of the, people over there in terms of the fashion designing or plays or any outfits and situations like that? Like
I have done fashion shows.
Fashion shows?
Yes, I have.
How lovely.
Dinner and dance events where we've had fashion shows in there.
Yeah.
So I've had my collection come on the catwalk.
Yeah, amazing, amazing.
Thank you.
So what fashion trends do you see dominating 2025?
I think for fashion 225, it would be all on cuts. आपको पता है पिछले साल भी जो है छोटी shirts चल रही थी और फर्शी शलवार.
Yeah, and I'm wearing a farshi shalwar.
Yes,
today,
you are.
right?
Yeah.
Which is so fun.
It is, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
तो इस साल छोटी shirt भी रहेगी with culottes, with plazos, with garara. Long shirts.
Pants, yeah?
हाँ जी.
Garara pants?
Nice. And long shirts will still stay in as well.
And what modern elements are we? I mean, I see some really good stuff on screen and I'm sure people can see it as well. You've done some feathers and all as well on the
have,
How
yes.
cool is that?
I have.
So, funky stuff like that. Does it sell? Do people like it?
It does, because people like what we design.
Yeah.
It's different. So a lot of, the public, they want to be different nowadays.
Yes, absolutely. It makes a lot of sense. And what colors are you predicting in 2025?
The color trend at the moment is mocha.
Mocha.
So it's the chocolate browns, mochas, lime green is also in.
I love mocha though.
I do.
What about maroons?
Maroons are in, purples are in.
Purples are in.
Hanji, shades of maroons and purples.
All right. And how do you stay updated with all of these trends and fashion? How do you do it?
I just stay up.
Life is tough in London as it is.
It is, yes.
UK as it is.
Bilkul. But I stay up to date. I, look what's in fashion as well with other designers. But we don't copy. We have our own unique styles. Yeah, we have our own unique styles.
It's one thing to be inspired, but it's an altogether another thing to completely outright copy someone. And I think that happens a lot in the fashion industry. Has that happened with you? Has someone ever copied your designs?
No, Allah ka shukar. Nobody has.
Okay, great. And what are some of the favorite materials you like to work with? आने वाले season में कौन से materials नजर आ रहे हैं?
आने वाले सीजन में अभी तो इस वक्त वेलवेट भी चल रही है क्योंकि आपको पता मौसम ज़रा ठंडा है.
Yes.
Grip silk I like using, Korean raw silk, pure silks, pashmina.
पश्मीना एंड लंदन में यूजुअली इतनी सर्दी होती है तो लोग किस तरह के प्रेफर करते हैं?
वेलवेट्स के, पश्मीना के, मरीना फैब्रिक, क्योंकि वहाँ ज़्यादा ठंड भी होती है।
बट वेलवेट में कितना स्टनिंग लुक आती है, राइट? आई एब्सोल्युटली लव इट।
Absolutely.
There's a certain elegance to it.